Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go! Flux Keyboard boasts a fascinating new peripheral with a combination of a mechanical keyboard's speed and precision. The best thing about Flux Keyboard is its adaptive display. This unique feature allows users to display an icon they desire on each transparent key, making it easy to switch between languages, shortcuts, and styles. Switching between linear and tactile switches can be done with transparent keyframe. This also means that cleaning the keyboard is very easy. If you have a workflow full of digital files, interact with lots of PDFs, or are looking for the best digital writing experience, try the remarkable digital paper case. This is a tablet purely designed for note-taking, document reviewing, and reading. It uses a 10-inch canvas display, and you can interact with the touchscreen directly, or you can use the remarkable marker to start writing, drawing, and even editing after finishing project. Emotion electric cycle with a 2,800 watt motor generates superior 188 Nm torque, so climbing a road or mountain is easy. This solo wheel packs a powerful battery to cover 99 miles, and the 16-inch off-road tyres, a double bumper E-design, and a compact trolley handle to carry with comfort. You can enjoy your ride with built-in speakers, RGB lights to enjoy riding street at night. This Scout Beetle features a low-pressure cold spray process, giving it an eye-catching look with its red front fins of the 7-star ladybug. Its body wall and overall appearance are held together by card tenon, creating a hard texture for durability. With its metal-edged membrane fins, it recreates the experience of a thrilling Beetle flight. It offers an immersive cyberpunk feel with technology and entertainment in one package, for making your day more exciting. In a classic case of designing for Apple's ecosystem better than Apple itself, the SleekGrip wallet is a ridiculously sleek and slim case for your iPhone. Its magnetic design makes it modular and allows you to prop your iPhone in both landscape and portrait modes, and each case comes with an NFC chip. The transparent stripes can be used in your car as a mount. It also has the amazing MagSafe charging experience. CronusMax unleashes the true power of video game controllers. Here you have access to powerful modes such as crossover gaming that allows you to use your favorite controller on PS4, Xbox 360 or PC. It converts your controller to a fully loaded war machine with features such as rapid fire, jitter, quickscope, and much more. And with a range of plugins, you can create, record, and remap any button on your controller. For busy people who want their world quite literally at their fingers, the RingConn Smart Ring makes juggling work, sleep and health look easy. It promises to track energy levels and supposedly helps you monitor wellness and your immune system. It also goes deep resting, heart rate and anxiety. The RingConn offers personal assistant as it will cover most of the small details for you throughout your day. Trihear Convo is one of the most amazing products for people with hearing problems. It has a remote microphone that allows users to stream a person's voice directly into their hearing amplifiers from up to 30 meters away. It helps hearing in crowded places, making conversations easier and more enjoyable. With Trihear Convo, users can connect the remote microphone to their television and stream sound straight to their earphones. The Bluetti power station has been designed with simplicity in mind. A blue LCD communicates data to the user very quickly. Being famous for the superb battery chemistry, it is surprisingly compact and light. It's well equipped with plenty of output sockets, fast charging time, and of course plenty of power for inverter and battery capacity. The interesting thing is the built-in UPS mode, and of course the amazing wireless charging experience that connects incredibly easy. The MoGo Pro offers almost everything you could ask in a portable movie projector. This 1080p high-resolution projector delivers a good-looking image with better contrast and detail. The most impressive thing is the easy connection of the MoGo Pro to Wi-Fi, since it's easy to carry and move around. You can watch your favorite shows, play games with high quality. The software experience and ease of use are unrivaled thanks to deep Google integration. If you've been looking for the perfect gift for the foodie, be sure to take advantage of this amazing grill. It converts your grill into a griddle where you can cook anything from bacon, pancakes and eggs for breakfast, or cheese steaks and fajitas. Whatever style of outdoor cooking you prefer, the Ninja Woodfire Grill is one of the most versatile cooking tools with its compact size, multiple cooking functions and ease of use. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.